It's Monday, April, what is it, 19th, 2010, and school's been out for 2 hours and I'm still here because I've got so much to do. I've got another wall. I made all the treasure boxes and I put them all over the walls, so now we can put our papers in there. And I turned the other bulletin board into an ocean over there. It's going to be an ocean. So now we got to make stuff to put on it. And yeah, I've got 2 weeks to get everything done for open house. So there's too much to do. And I had to do all kinds of stuff. Anyway, I can't remember what else I'm going to say, so I'll say it later. Bye. I'm watching Seven Brides for Seven Brothers because it's one of my favorite musical movies ever. Right now gas is $3.09 for regular, $3.29 for premium. How much is it where you guys live? I'm always curious as to what the price is.
Home now. It's cookie time. Alright, since I didn't really do anything today to talk about or show you, I'm going to try to knock this challenge out of the way. Now, I didn't have time to do anything creative, and if I come up with something, I'll do that next week too. I'll just do 2 weeks, but I need to get this done, otherwise I'll forget, because next weekend's busy too. So I have to establish my nerd cred, and I am just going to list things that prove that I am nerdy. I don't know. I don't know exactly what to do. This is a vague thing. I started wearing glasses when I was 4. I know glasses don't make you a nerd, but come on. I started wearing glasses when I was 4 years old in preschool. They were pink, and they had Smurfette on the side. They were adorable. I used to watch Star Trek The Next Generation with my dad, and I liked it. And then when we lived overseas, I used to watch the Star Wars trilogy all the time because we had, like, nothing to watch. So we had the 3 originals on video, and we would watch those all the time. My first huge fandom that I got involved with was a sci-fi show, Roswell. I've always been a reader. I used to always read. I still always read. I'm a reader. That's nerdy. I'd rather be inside reading than outside doing stuff. I used to write stories, and I actually had 3 published when I was in 4th, 5th, and 6th grade, and I'd get them out if I could find them. I don't know where they are. I think they're in a shelf behind a pile of boxes. I can't find them right now. But anyway, they are in hardbound little things, and yeah. So I was a writer back in the day. I vividly remember every single time that I got a bad grade on anything. Like, I know that in 5th grade, there was this math page, and I got an F on it because there were like 4 problems, and I got 2 of them wrong, and I cried, and it was very upsetting. And I remember every college class that I did not do well in. I've been a straight A student for most of my life, until I got like 2 A- in my upper graduate stuff. Ruined my GPA, ruined my 4.0. My profession makes me a nerd. I'm in school all the time. I went to school so that I could stay in school for the rest of my life. So, teaching is pretty nerdy. It's a pretty nerdy profession. I can't think of anything else right this minute, but I think I'm pretty well established to be a nerd. I mean, look at any other video I've ever made or anything I've ever done. I go out and dance and do like goofy things in the middle of public. And I go to a lot of signings. I go to Comic-Con, which is like the biggest geek nerd thing. Nerd! I hope my nerd cred has been established. I'll try to think of something else for next week, but if I don't, I'm saying I did the challenge. And don't say I cheated, please. I'm too busy to do anything else. Okay. Ladies, hope you're having a good week this week. Elena, I will see you on Wednesday, and Sarah, I will see you on Friday. Bye! Oh, P.S. Today, this is my Vita number, whatever day it is, 19 video. This is my Vita number 19 video, but I'm also going to put a video on my regular channel, which is to make up for the 10th when I didn't make a video because I was out of town. So yeah, that video will be up there, so I've got 2 videos today, this one and the other one, which I will throw a link to. Okay? So, watch them both, please. Love ya! Bye.